Hello guys, this is my local host for the web project for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. And here we can see that it's home and it's working. I wanna try to type like CSS, so it's going to that page and it's working. And if I click on the hyperlink, also it's working. If I want to write something, if it's not exist, can see that we received the error, so it's not there is no such things. And so here home, and if I want to create new page, I just click. You can see that title, it's working. I create a new site, new part, you can see that, so it's already existed here. If I want to create again the same things, I received the same error, said entry already exists, so I cannot do that. Click that. If I click on the random page, you can see that it's going to random pages. And if I wanna try the links, yeah, it's working. HTML is working, yeah, correct. So we go to home. And CSS is working. If I wanna edit it, I just click it and write something like it words, save the changes, and you see that we have the changes. So we go back. Django also is working, correct. Gates is working, correct. HTML is working, correct, functioning. Python is working also, and the Java, which I just created, so everything is working. And here if I want to just type like CSS, it's going like that. If I just want to write like H and enter, it just redirects me to the pages which is already exist with the letter of H, like HTML or Python. If I click on something, if there is no exist like Z, I enter it. I said no result found, so I cannot find anything, so everything's working and functioning. And thank you, appreciate it about watching my website.